Hey data crafters, welcome to my YouTube channel DataCrafting. I hope you all are doing great. The topic we are going to cover today is data types in Python. So without any further ado, let's begin with it. Let's start where every program starts, with numbers. Python gives us two primary numeric types. First is the integer. The definition is simple. It's any whole number like 1 or 100. In Python, these numbers are powerful because the size is practically unlimited. You just type the number, for example, age is equals to 30. Next is the float. You need a float anytime you are dealing with a decimal. Things like prices, measurements, or percentages. The key here is the decimal point. Next up is the string. In Python, text is called a string. The definition is a sequence of characters. If you want Python to treat something as text, you wrap it in quotes, single or double. Strings are immutable, which means once you create webinar, you cannot change the individual characters inside that existing object. Now, we move to collections. These are types that hold multiple items in a specific order. The most popular collection is the list. Lists are defined by square brackets and they are the classic example of a mutable type. This means you can add, remove or modify items after you create the list. Lists are versatile and can hold different data types together. Next one is the tuple. Tuple use parentheses. The main difference is the definition. Tuples are immutable. Once created, they cannot be changed. This makes them faster and safer for fixed data, like version numbers. The next type is critical for organizing complex data, the dictionary or dict. The definition of a dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs. You use the key like port to quickly look up the value like 80. Dictionaries are mutable and are defined by curly braces. Now we have the simplest but most powerful type, boolean or bool. The definition is a logical type that can only hold one of two values, true or false. This is the core of decision making in code. Note that the words true and false must always be capitalized. And that wraps up our deep dive into data types in Python. To quickly recap, remember your numerics for math, your strings for all things text, use lists when you need a collection that can change, that is immutable, and tuples for data that must remain constant, that is immutable. And for key value storage, the dictionary is your best friend. These types are the foundation of Pythons and mastering them is crucial. The best way to learn is to start practicing right away. Try creating a variable for every single type we covered today. If this guide helped you understand data types, hit the like button, subscribe to DataCrafting and drop a comment below letting me know which data type you use the most. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!